This is like a doll. They call it wish doll, which I don't really like because I'm a scientist and so I don't like magic and wishes. And I renamed her like goal doll. So basically the way it works is this. They gave it to you, you think to a wish or a goal, and you paint one eye. This comes with blank eyes. So this one is painted. So I decided a very long time ago about a goal. And then this is supposed to work like this. This also represents the journey that you take, because let's hope this works. If you do like this, it goes up. So it means that if in your journeys you have some problems and you go down, it will go up all the time. And then when you reach this goal, this also represents the achievement, because you will paint the other eye. And as you can see here, well, first of all, it's my profession, I would say. And then I think it's it's a way to set up a team, to do something to achieve a goal that is something like, like noble and pure. I think this is science for me. I did my thesis. I'm going to go to the best PhD school, and then that was Scuola Normale, but everything was so fast, and then there is the postdoc, and okay, UC Berkeley, good, and so fast, and then you don't even have time to say, is it really what I want to do? And then at the end, you're like, oh, okay, I did it, and it's like that. When I understood that I could make it, and that is when I first published a paper from my lab. That was like 2012, not sure now. That was the first time I said, okay, I can make science a profession. You know, if you're asking me for somebody that somehow influenced my choices, that would be like a woman to look up to. She was Professor Timiras at UC Berkeley, and I met her when she was 80 or something like that. She was a wonderful woman, and I don't know, like incredible scientist, and she really loved science. And she was a very nice person, and when I was pregnant, this is when more or less I met her. She invited me at her home, and she, as many professors at UC Berkeley, she would have this beautiful house on the top of the hills. And although she was 80, she said, no, but you cannot come by foot. So she came at my place driving her car, and she was 80 and I was, I don't know, like 30 something. And she came and picked me up. And I mean, she was a wonderful person. There I was happy. I have to say that was like really like, whoa, I made it. So that I was really happy. It didn't last long, no, but I was like, okay, this is an achievement, but not enough, no, not enough. Anytime that you start a project, there is a first phase where you have your ideas, and then you don't know whether you will go somewhere or it will stop somehow. So the first phase is always very difficult. Then there are some experiments, they can be 1 or 2 or 3, where you know that at the end you eventually will have something important. And then from there, the journey is very long, it's very complicated, but you know it already. So before you get to the point that you know it, it's very difficult. So my ERC project is about trying to define whether these new genetic approaches, genetic tools that allow to, let's say, repair some mutations or something that is not very standard in your DNA, especially in neurodevelopmental disorders, can be possibly, even in a very, very far future, be applicable also to humans, something like that. It's about prenatal manipulations to see whether we can sort of correct what is not very standard in animal models of Down syndrome. But the work, of course, in my ERC is only in mice, but it's like a proof of concept that maybe one day we will be able to think a little differently also in humans. This is my ERC. Standard drug treatments with small molecules during development, they have strong conceptual problems anyway, because those molecules are, they will always have off-target effect. CRISPR also has always off-target effect, but at least you can think that you can ameliorate it in a way that if there will not be there anymore. With small molecules, you cannot even think about it. That's the main issue. How it changed my career, my life, will tell you in 5 years, 10 years, 15 years. I still don't know. But what I can say is that it's like a stamp of excellence or recognition, and I can see that already. That people, when you say, okay, I received my ERC, is like, okay, so you must be good. And I would not get that before. But how it changed my life, I don't know, I'll tell you.